This year has seen a plethora of new camera and lens releases from renowned brands, with more exciting announcements on the horizon. So if you're curious about the latest gear, here are some new camera lenses to check out in 2024. Set for an official announcement on May 16, 2024, the Sigma 24-70mm f2.8D GDN Art lens promises optical improvements, offering better color rendition and sharpness. This updated version is rumored to be lighter and slightly more compact than its predecessor, making it more convenient for on-the-go photography. It features an 82mm filter size and an aperture ring for more precise control. With inner focusing, the lens ensures swift and silent autofocus performance. Available for both L-mount and E-mount systems, it broadens its compatibility with a range of cameras. Competitively priced, it is poised to become a favorite among enthusiasts and professionals alike. Canon is preparing to expand its RF mount lens collection with the RF 24mm f1.4 LUSM, expected in Q4 of 2024. This wide-angle prime lens is designed for capturing landscapes, architecture and environmental portraits. Its fast f1.4 aperture ensures excellent performance in low-light conditions and enables a shallow depth of field for impressive bokeh. Alongside the RF 50mm f1.4 LUSM and RF 35mm, this new addition will enhance the variety of high-quality optics available to Canon users. As part of Canon's L series, the RF 24mm f1.4 LUSM promises outstanding image quality, robustness and performance. Panasonic has officially announced the Lumix S 26mm f1.8 lens, designed for the new Lumix S9 camera body. Priced at $197 and available for pre-order at B&H and Adorama, this compact and lightweight pancake lens exemplifies Panasonic's commitment to superior build quality and high-resolution images. With a minimal focus distance of 24.9 centimeters and a maximum magnification of 0.14 times, it offers practical utility for various shooting scenarios. However, its lack of weather sealing and filter attachment options might limit its versatility in more demanding conditions. Fujifilm GF 500mm f5 6RLM OIS WR. Fujifilm's GF 500mm f5.6 WR lens is designed for sports and wildlife photography. With a 396mm full-frame equivalent focal length and 6 stops of image stabilization, it allows handheld shooting with minimal camera shake, ensuring sharp images even in challenging conditions. The lens features a weather-resistant design, protecting against dust and water ingress. Key specifications include a maximum aperture of f5.6, a minimum aperture of f32, and a construction of 21 elements in 14 groups with special coatings. Weighing 1375 grams, it is a powerful yet manageable tool for capturing distant action and wildlife with exceptional clarity. Scheduled for announcement on June 6, 2024, the Tamron 50-300mm lens is a lightweight option at just 665 grams. It offers a versatile focal range from 50 to 300mm and a compact length of 150mm. This lens is particularly well suited for APS-C cameras, providing an equivalent focal range of 75 to 450mm. Designed with special elements to control aberration, it ensures high image quality across the zoom range. The VXD linear motor focus mechanism provides quiet and agile autofocus, complemented by VC image stabilization for reliable performance in various shooting scenarios. This lens is ideal for both still photography and video. Announced for June 20th, 2024, the Sigma 28-45mm art lens is set to make a significant impact. Following the success of the Sigma 24-70mm f2.8 DGDN art, this new model is the world's first full-frame autofocus zoom lens with a constant f1.8 aperture. It features a robust design, weighing just under 1 kilogram, and an 82mm filter size. This lens promises excellent performance in low light and is particularly suited for on-location video work. While some photographers express concerns about its zoom range and weight, it is expected to balance performance, versatility and usability, potentially setting a new standard for professional zoom lenses. The Fujifilm X f16 to 50mm f2.8 to 4.8 RLMWR lens offers a full-frame equivalent focal range of 24 to 76mm, perfect for wide landscapes and intimate portraits. Its bright f2.8 maximum aperture at the wide end ensures excellent performance in low light and creates a pleasing bokeh effect for portraits. With a robust weather-resistant construction, this lens is reliable in various conditions. It consists of 11 elements in 9 groups, including 3 aspherical and 3 ED elements to reduce distortions and aberrations. Weighing only 240 grams and with a compact length of 71mm, it is lightweight and portable, ideal for photographers on the move. Now let's shift our focus from the latest and greatest to some Sony lenses that are currently on sale, making them a great buy. The Sony FE 70 to 200mm f2.8 GMOSS is a standout telephoto zoom lens. Perfect for capturing sports and wildlife, it lets you zoom in on the action with its versatile focal range. The f2.8 aperture ensures excellent performance in low light, and built-in image stabilization helps reduce camera shake. Durable and weather-sealed, it can handle harsh conditions. While heavier and more expensive, the combination of top-notch image quality, sharp zoom capabilities and flexibility makes it an investment worth making for any serious photographer. The Sony FE 35mm f1.4 GM strikes the perfect balance between performance and portability. This compact powerhouse delivers incredibly sharp photos with rich colours and contrast, ideal for street photography and environmental portraits. The f1.4 aperture allows for stunning low-light performance and beautiful bokeh. Despite being more expensive, its amazing image quality, versatile focal length and lightweight design make it a fantastic choice for photographers who want to capture the world around them with ease. Astrophotographers and landscape enthusiasts will love the Sony FE 24mm f1.4 GM. This wide-angle lens excels in capturing night skies, expansive landscapes and environmental portraits with edge-to-edge sharpness. The f1.4 aperture ensures stunning low-light performance and dreamy background blur. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for all your adventures. Though pricier, its advanced features and excellent performance make it a valuable investment for photographers looking to explore and capture the world in new ways. For wide-angle enthusiasts, the Sony FE 16 to 35mm f2.8 GM is an outstanding choice. This ultra-wide-angle zoom lens is perfect for landscapes, architecture and interior photography, offering excellent sharpness and clarity from edge to edge. It performs well in low light, allowing for clear pictures even as the sun sets. Built tough with weather sealing, it can handle various adventures. While it is larger and more expensive, its ability to capture stunning wide-angle shots makes it a valuable investment for photographers looking to shoot vast landscapes and detailed interiors. The Sony FE 50mm f1.8 is a must-have for any E-mount camera owner seeking an affordable yet high-quality prime lens. Compact and lightweight, it offers a versatile 50mm focal length ideal for everyday photography. Its wide f1.8 aperture ensures excellent low-light performance and beautiful background blur, making it great for portraits and street photography. Despite its budget-friendly price, it delivers sharp image quality. While the autofocus may be slower and the build is mostly plastic, its overall performance and value make it a top choice for those needing a reliable everyday lens without breaking the bank. For those seeking a versatile lens, the Sony FE 24 to 70mm f2.8 GM is an excellent choice. This all-in-one zoom lens is perfect for photographers who love variety, from capturing breathtaking landscapes to intimate wedding moments. The f2.8 aperture ensures sharp pictures even in low light, and creates a beautiful background blur to make your subject stand out. Built to withstand tough conditions, this lens is durable against rain and dust. While it is heavier and more expensive than some alternatives, its combination of sharp photos, stunning bokeh, and reliable performance makes it a favourite among professionals and hobbyists alike. Portrait photographers will find the Sony FE 85mm f1.4 GM indispensable. This lens excels in creating beautiful background blur or bokeh, isolating your subject in perfect focus against a dreamy, soft background. It performs exceptionally well in low light, capturing stunning portraits even in less than ideal lighting conditions. Built like a tank, it can handle the demands of professional use. Despite being a bit heavier and pricier, the exceptional portrait quality it delivers makes it a worthwhile investment for serious photographers. So that concludes our list of new camera lenses you must check out in 2024. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.